yeah, I think a good test match, but like you rightly said, a few areas in which we can learn and we can improve and get better, because we know we're going to have to do it in this game.
Shamik Chakravarti followed by Vishesh. Shamik, go ahead.
Rahul, wish you a very happy new year. Rahul, it's about Virat and Virat. It's not that Virat is batting. Virat is getting starts. He's batting well. He looks to be in control. He's getting out in 30s and 40s, and unlike previously, he's not getting his big scores. Could this, in more than anything, could this be about concentration? I mean, this bio-bubble thing and operating out of a bio-bubble, this could happen to anybody. And for that matter, Ajinkya also, he looked very good at Centurion. So could this be down to concentration and this bio-bubble thing?
It could be a variety of factors, and that happens to, people at various stages in their career. When you play for a long period of time, there are phases in your career where probably, you feel you're batting well, but the big scores don't necessarily come. It happens, and it happens to everyone. It just so could be happening for us that, the 2-3 of them are going through that similar kind of phase at the same time. But I think the heartening point, and I think the good point is really that they seem to be batting really well. They are playing particularly well, so they're getting off the starts. It's just, and they know how to convert. It's not that, these guys don't know how to get hundreds or they haven't done it before. So it's just a matter of time. They've been preparing well. They've been practicing really well. I think they're in really good space as well. So I'm really hoping that, we'll see some really good performances over the next couple of games. And like I said, these are challenging conditions. So it's not always going to be easy to sometimes convert some of these starts. But yeah, they know how to do it. And like you rightly said, I do feel, as a coach, just looking in and just watching them train and looking at this kind of space they're in, I just feel that, there could be some good runs around the corner.
Vishesh, go ahead.
Hi Rahul sir, Happy New Year. I just wanted to ask how much worried you are about the form of Cheteshwar Pujara, and is there a certain leeway you can give to your number 3, knowing that batting on tough pitches may come with a string of low scores?
Yeah, look, I hate using the word concerned. I think he's doing the best he can. I do recognize that at times, certainly, he would like to have scored more runs. I think someone like him sets really high standards for himself. Obviously, he's achieved a lot of success in the 10 years that he's played cricket. So he knows the highs he's had and the kind of success he's had and the kind of performances or the run of scores that he's had in the past. So obviously, he would like to, kind of replicate that, and he would like to keep doing that over and over again. Sometimes it doesn't happen. And it's not a question about being worried, but of course it's a question about recognizing that, look, as batsmen, as a middle order player, as someone who bats in that kind of position, it is sometimes tough to bat and it's not easy to bat in these conditions. But when you do get set, it's really nice if one of your top 3, your top 4 can convert that into a big score. We saw the value of that in Rahul's 100. If that happens, it really sets you up very well as a team. And it would be great if sort of Pujara can do that, because we know when he does that, a lot of times India do win those games, or we put ourselves in really good positions.
Coach, we've got a question on chat. It says, apart from the series win, there's been undertops on the outside as well. So as a coach, how do you keep the morale high and deal with such situations, especially when you're 1-0 up in the middle of a crucial, important series?
Yeah, I know there's been a lot of noise. There's been a lot of noise on other issues a little bit outside of the group, even leading into this particular test match. But, honestly, in terms of keeping the morale high, it's not been very difficult because, to be honest, it's been led by the skipper himself. I think Virat, that has been absolutely phenomenal over the last sort of 20 days that we've been here. I think the way he's trained, the way he's practiced, the way he's connected with the group. As a coach, sometimes leading into the series, that there's not really too much you can do once the game starts, or there's not too much you can control in the results. But what you're really looking to do as coaches or as support staff, we're really looking to, prepare well and get the team into a really good space. And, Virat has been phenomenal in that, and the way he's led the team. He's been absolutely, truly a leader. And I couldn't speak more highly about him and the way he's committed to his own preparation, his own practice, and also just the way he's connected with the group over the last 2 weeks, the on and off the field. I think he's truly been a fantastic leader and a really good captain. So that's really helped in creating a really good space that I felt we were in a very good space leading into the first test match, and we got the team in a really good space. A lot of that was led by Virat, and his leadership, really came to the fore. So yeah, and it's not been hard. It's been a pleasure to work with someone like Virat. I think he has been a phenomenal leader, and even personally, I think that he's in a really good space. And even though he sort of batted well and couldn't convert those starts, I really feel there's going to be a big run of really good scores coming in from someone like him. Just observing him around the group, how relaxed he's been, how calm he's been, and how he's preparing and how switched on he is. I think there's a run. It might not happen in the next game. I would really hope it happens in the next game. But I do feel with someone like him, we're going to see a really big run of scores once that clicks in place. Because he's really led the way, and I couldn't speak more highly of him. I think it's been a real credit to himself and to Indian cricket, over these last 2 weeks, in spite of all the noise that's been there around him.